The Bachmann Electronic E06149 is a multi-channel I/O board from a PLC that controls a plastic extrusion machine. We received the board as a rush since its failure had shut the entire machine down, and as such, we put it to the top of our priority list. When ERD receives boards such as these, we always have to check each individual component on the board to both determine the problem and find a solution. After locating the defective channel, each individual channel is fired and tested with a linear light load to verify proper operation. This board was repaired within 2 days and the customer's machine was back in operation. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.